안녕하세요, 모션케어입니다. 저희는 지금 싱가포르에 출장을 가고 있습니다.
Yeah, I think it's great. We'll see you in Singapore very soon.
바이바이, 싱가포르에서 만나요. Peace. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 모션케어입니다. 싱가포르인데요. 굉장히 빌딩도 이쁘고 날씨도 좋네요. 오늘 이제 설치가 끝나고 점검하러 왔습니다. 싱가포르에. So, how about today?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day in Singapore. We're here at the exclusive Malacca Centre, here with our brand new partners, Advantage Pilates in Singapore. We will see you from the 9th floor very soon.
Very soon.
How about today? Today.
Yeah, the weather is beautiful and the atmosphere is really good. Yesterday it was raining, but this just perfectly. So let's go to the upstairs and see our machines.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. 네, 열심히 중간 설치를 하고 있습니다. 저는 이렇게 조립하기 쉽게 배를 까고 있습니다. 저희 장점은 제품이 홈이 파 있어서 이렇게 어느 건물이든 쉽게 이동을 하고 조립을 할 수가 있네요. 자, 열심히 하겠습니다. 화이팅! 안녕하세요 여러분, 모션케어 필라테스입니다. 지금 싱가포르에서 설치를 마쳤습니다. We are finished the setting in the Singapore Pilates. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's really great feeling, guys. Welcome. We are in the Malacca Centre in downtown Singapore at Advantage Pilates, our new partners here in Singapore. We have just installed 7 Neo Combi reformers. We have 5 Neo Combi chairs, 1 Neo ladder barrel, and my favourite, the dual chair and barrel, here on the 9th floor at Advantage Pilates in Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a great experience that I came to Singapore and install our present machines. So yeah, please come to Singapore and experience our Pilates equipment in this Malacca Center with Advantage Pilates. It was great experience to me. Thank you so much.
See you back in Korea soon. Bye bye.
감사합니다 여러분. 싱가포르로 오세요.